with Raven.
Hi, this is Art with Raven. Today we're going to be doing paint swiping. And what you need a piece of paper. You need paint. I'm going to use Tempera paint, but you all can also use acrylic paint if you don't have Tempera paint. Okay, one color you do need though is black paint. So first off, what you're gonna do, you're gonna get your black paint and gonna put it in a line. Try not to make it really thick. Okay, so whenever you get the colors you're going to use, you can either put them on the black paint or beside the black paint. The colors that I'm going to use is yellow, blue, and green. You can use any color. Okay, now let's start with blue. Okay, this part is a bit messy, so you might want to use a tablecloth. The type of paper we're using is what we're using is tag board. So just cut out a piece like a square shape, or you can use cardboard. So if you still see some white spaces, you can just go over that little white space. Like that. Good job. You've made a paint swiping